Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a genuine super sport here. 1964 Chevy Impala, and it's full of surprises. It's got a 4-speed, it's got air conditioning, power steering, power disc brakes, and more. So go to volocars.com. That's where you'll see all the specs, photos top to bottom, pricing on this car and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. Go to volocars.com. But right now, how about I take you for a spin in this 1964 Chevy Impala Super Sport. It's a real Super Sport. It's right in the numbers and codes. It's a real red car too, from what I remember checking. Beautiful body and paint. The spot welds around the rear wheel well lip. You still see the factory spot welds, so nice clean metal. And the trim is really nice too. The Super Sport has this machine turned trim. This has all been replaced, all beautiful, emblems new. Got the rear antenna, new emblem here. All of this trim is new. The bumper's rechromed, the new emblem. Tail lights are nice looking. This side's the same way. It's nice and shiny and straight and new trim. This trim around here is original, but it's all straight and shiny. All of it, real nice. Door handles new, has bow tie mirrors. Polished Torquethrust wheels with some BF Goodrich tires. Underneath, the front suspension's all redone. They didn't have disc brakes back then, so disc brakes were added to this car. And up front, just like the back, the grille, the trim, the bumper, it's all in beautiful shape. The chrome hood piece here is real nice. Has an upgraded 350 motor that's in there. Some nice aluminum Edelbrock valve covers. Also has aluminum Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb. Has an upgraded ignition system, a more modern air conditioning and alternator. It's got power brakes, power steering, R134 Freon. It's got headers. So a lot of upgrades under the hood there. The interior is actually really nice. The cushions in the seats are new, so they're nice and firm. Door panel's been replaced, the chrome armrest bases. It's a padded dash, that was an option. It's new. It's not one of them plastic glue-on covers. It's an actual dash pad. Carpet's new. Has nice rubber Impala floor mats. Interior lights are on. Nice big clean trunk. You have a full-size spare in there, you don't even notice it. It's so huge in here. It's spatter painted, it has new mats, new weather strip, all nice shiny paint. Even the light in the console works. Has seat belts up front here. Has the factory in-dash housing for a tachometer. It's an aftermarket tachometer. It's in the housing. Has a retro stereo. Again, it's a 4-speed. Has the console. Let me start it up since I'm in here. The headliner's been replaced, visors, the mirror's real nice. Nice car. It's got some really nice features too. Just one of those, get in, turn the key and drive. The washers are hooked up, wiper motor looks new. It's real nice. Nice clear windshield. Door jambs painted nice. Window rolls up nice. Chrome frame is nice. Nice tinted glass. Nice, nice, nice. Oops. So there you have it. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find several ways to contact us. I have a whole staff of people, and their job is to assist you with any questions you have or concerns. We have shipping, we have financing. So visit volocars.com. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these videos as we put them out. You'll see them first. And I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. There's always more videos to come.